Imagine a world where financial independence isn't just a dream but a reality for everybody. That's the vision behind Dhangyan, your personal launchpad to financial success. Picture this, you log in and a world of opportunity unfolds before you. Well, that was our motive in creating Dhangyan. We wanted everybody to achieve financial independence, let it be a man, let it be a woman, let it be a teenager, or a specially able person. Everybody deserves the same opportunities. Here is our login page where you can log in into your existing account or you can create a new account. There would be a few details required if you're creating your new account, such as your full name, your email, and a password that you would wish to set. We also ask your age, your gender, and your address to give you more specified and personalized recommendations. We also ask you your occupation, your interests, and your financial goal. Different people have different financial goals. You might be interested in marketing, you might be interested in investing, or you might just want to learn how to budget. Based on that, we will offer you courses so that you can learn. So basically, the whole website will be personalized according to your taste. This is our homepage where you can see our about section. It's about us just explaining why we created Dhangyan. There is a collapsible sidebar that makes it very easy for the user to navigate wherever they want to. Then we have different features. We have AI powered learning, we have community support, we have skill enhancement. These are just a few tools that ensure the top class experience for all of our users. We have financial communities based on your financial goals. For example, the Financial Freedom Seekers is for the people who want to tackle debt and pave your way into financial independence. Investment Wizards is for people who like to invest. Saving Champions is for people who like to budget. You can join the community and network and talk to the like minded people and grow together. The daily financial challenge is available in 3 levels. It's easy, mid, and master. You can attempt the quests, and there's also a leaderboard to encourage healthy competition. This quiz makes sure that your brain is always being exercised so that you never forget your financial knowledge. There is also an achievement when you win the quiz and your points are added. This leaderboard, you can see the users that have attempted the quiz, you can see the wins, and you can see the achievements. You can see what quizzes the user has attended and their position, their points. This is how you can improve. This is constructive competition that you can take inspiration from and make sure that you are developing a better version of yourself every single time. You can also see the quests and achievements of the user. You can see the timeline in which they have joined the game, played the quizzes, and got these points. There are also statistics with a graph that explains you based on different parameters. There is a compare with friend option that allows you to compare yourself with another person in the same platform. Our platform does not believe in language barriers, so we have created something that will eliminate all of your language barriers. There are different languages in which you can attempt the quiz, which makes it inclusive for almost everybody. These are the questions in the quiz that you can attempt. 10 points per question, and if you need a hint, you lose 5 points. There's also an option where you can ask us to explain you the question and the answer. This is to increase your knowledge in the given topic so that you can make better decisions for yourself in the future as well. These are the questions. We give you the explanation on why the answer is wrong as well. These are the questions that are there in the financial quiz. Yeah, so this is the question on. This is a question on stock market. This is a question on types of loans and interest. Here you have category breakdown so that you can work on yourself, identify the areas where you're going wrong. There are recommendations as well that can help you on improving yourself, as I said earlier. We also have file sharing where you can select files or images. You can drag or drop any files from your desktop. As shown here, we are currently choosing a file. There is a camera as well where you can click pictures. On uploading a file here, we are given a QR or a link, both of which you can share. On clicking the link or on scanning the QR, you get directed to the place where we have saved the file. The QR gets reduced to a smaller size so that it's easier for sharing. This is the file that we had shared. We also have a QR which can be scanned in place of the link as well. We have virtual reality simulations. This ensures the user is always This ensures the user is always involved in learning. There is a programming journey dashboard where we can see the leaderboard and we can see all of the achievements that we have done so far. There's a dark mode and a light mode for whoever likes their preferences. There we can see the upcoming tests and dates, and we can also access the study materials through this. So this is basically a dashboard that can help you organize your life better. If you are in need of organizing your life, nothing can go wrong with a bit of organization. There are available courses that are shown to you. There are coding challenges that will keep tricking your brain. There are upcoming tests as mentioned earlier. This is the programming journey dashboard that we have in addition to our platform Dhangyan and our mobile app Dhangyan, which will be explained later. We can download reports, and this is the report that we get: our name, our grade, and what we have done so far. This is our profile that we have created. You have your personal information, you have your GPA, you have the skills, all of that you've learned. We're back to the home page right now, and this is us. This is our whole website. And the great thing is, that's not all. With just a few clicks, our smart filters connect you to life-changing government schemes tailored specifically to you. No more sitting through endless paperwork. We bring the right opportunities straight to your fingertips. As you can see here, we're selecting our gender and our age to modify the schemes according to that. There is the state, and there is the urban or rural option. Then we have the caste categories, if we are differently abled or not, do we belong to a minority or not. When choosing all of the options, we are asked if we are a student or not. Do we belong to the below poverty line? If yes, are you in hardship or something? Then all of these schemes are tailored to fit the exact description that we have given, and our BPL, caste, our age, gender, etc. This is our VR model that we have implemented using machine learning models. You can show hand signals, and if you can see on the top left below AI scribbles, you can see what gesture it is showing. On showing an open palm, it's showing open. On showing a thumbs up, it's saying thumbs up. We have a writing mode as well, which allows you to scribble on the screen without touching the screen using VR experience. This is our entire VR platform. Yes, so that was it. We also have the resource sharing option, financial quiz. We have financial literacy learning. We call it as Financial Wisdom Hub. This has different options. We can invest, budget, credit, taxes, entrepreneurship, retirement, cryptocurrency, all of the wide variety of fields that you can explore. If suppose I want to explore entrepreneurship, there's a course on entrepreneurship that I'm interested in, then I'm going to go to that course, I'm going to play that video. There are a list of videos that I can watch to improve my knowledge on entrepreneurship. I can complete the entire video, and on completing the video, we have different options below the video right here. We have our financial health tracker. We have our score that we get on taking the quizzes created from the video by using AI. We can answer the quiz, and depending on the points that we get, our learning streak gets updated. The more days you continue doing it, the more your streak gets. We have learning goals which you can add. This kind of like a to-do list to motivate yourself. For example, we have created a learning goal called exam here, and there's a dark mode and light mode here as well. If we completed the learning goal, we can cross it off our to-do list, and we can add another learning goal. This will just motivate us to complete all of the goals that we have in mind. That is done as well. We have discussions where everybody can share their thoughts, so that everybody's thoughts matter. It'll be nice to get another opinion. We have our score, we have a learning streak, we have financial health tracker. We also have a leaderboard in this as well, because what can go wrong with a little bit of competition? So that was the Financial Wisdom Hub. The more amount of times you take the quiz, the more your points add up, and the questions are all different. And here we are submitting the quiz for the second time, and as you can see, our points increased to 20, and we got up in the leaderboard. And that was our Financial Wisdom Hub. We go down, and we also have a section where you can contact us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Any questions would be appreciated. We also have our own Gyan AI, which shows you the temperature, and there is a bright or dark mode in this as well. This has been created through Gemini. This asks us for our name. Let's assume we are asking it a question: what is business? So the AI gives us an answer, an entire answer with all the details about the question that we have asked. Here we can see that it's saying us an entire answer. Let's ask us another question. Give me bubble sort. On asking this question, it provides us with the bubble sort code. There's also an option for us to listen to our answers that the chatbot is giving, and also a voice option where we can record our questions through voice. There is a voice chat option as well. As you can see, the speaker button allows you to listen to the answer that the chatbot has given. There's also a copy button so that we can copy the answer that it has given. There's a clipboard option. There is an inserting image option as well, so that the chatbot can analyze the image that we have inserted. Here we are. Yes, so that was it.